Changing the speed and duration of clips using the rate stretch tool. So I can change the speed, so I can speed things up or I can slow things down in slow motion. And when I do that, I change the duration of the clip. So let's say I scrub across here and I'm going to play this a little bit. So I got some music and people are dancing. Let's slow that down. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to right click and say go to my out. I'm going to put it at the tail end here. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to, and you can hold this down and make sure you're choosing the rate stretch tool. Okay, the rate stretch tool. I'm going to come over here and grab a hold of this thing and grab a hold of this thing and I'm going to pull it way out to the right. So I'm changing the duration of it, right? And so now I'm going to play this. So you can see everything's going in slow motion, okay? And now I'm going to, let's go over here and I'm going to put this right at the, in between the clips here. And now let's go and change the duration of the first clip here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here for my rate stretch tool, click on that. I'm going to grab a hold of this clip and make it really short. Now I'll just select this over here and move it. I'll scrub over and play. So you can see I sped it up and the sound gets changed too. So I can change the speeds either faster or slow motion. It changes the duration of the clip. And this is a nice way to make things in fast motion or in slow motion.